How to watch all streams in your Twitch account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to watch all streams in your Twitch account. So to do this, open up a browser. You could also follow the same steps in your mobile device. So open up your browser and type in twitchtv.com and log in into your account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. So while you're on this page, what next you have to do is just press the profile from the top right hand side and go to video producers. As soon as you press the video producers options, then on this page you could go and see the collections, or you could just go and click on all videos, and here you could go with the past broadcast. You could find the videos right on this page. Since I have not even published or streamed any of one single video, so I'm unable to show you the steps. You could also go to the collections and find all of these. So that's how you could go ahead and watch all streams in your Twitch TV account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.